Hi, I'm Suzette from Wahl Colour South Africa. Today's feature product is the Colour Pro. Let's have a look at what's in the box. This powerful clipper comes with color-coded guide combs, and the color guide on the clipper makes identification and cutting simple. It is a corded clipper with a hook for alternative storage. The adjustable taper lever makes blending easy, and the 12 guide combs gives you a wide variety of cutting lengths to choose from. The on and off switch is on the side of the clipper. On the opposite side, you will find the power screw that can be adjusted for optimal performance. The kit comes with a blade guard to protect the blade when stowing it away. It has a scissor and 3 shaped guide combs for easy cutting around the ears. The clipper oil in the kit must be used regularly. Wahl blades are self-sharpening, so when oiled and cleaned regularly, before and after every use, it extends the blade life. The Wahl blade oil helps to push trapped hair out from in between the blades. This means there are less pressure and the motor will last longer. Use the small brush to remove hair from the blades. The color-coded guide combs are numbered. The cutting comb have a wide and a fine tooth side. The barber comb has the same, and it is also flexible for easy cutting around the perimeter. This comprehensive kit is perfect for the whole family.